You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, a word from French, revanche, meaning revenge. This is why there are different pronunciations in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, by the way, stay tuned, I've got more videos. British English pronunciation, revanchism, revanchism, or the Americans say it as revanchism, but it can be pronounced with CH, pronounced like the French way, with SH sound. So revanchism does also exist. So revanchism or revanchism for a more French, but it is referenced also as an English pronunciation, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.